G'day viewers, I was speaking of Crompton lights as that light bulb in the previous refrigerator video. Here's another Crompton light. This is the same Crompton that used to make electric motors. Crompton lighting, made in China. Although it's a bloody good quality light overall, the switch is literally a piece of shit. Only thing that's different about it is that it's not red and it doesn't smell. So it's usually clipped into here, and this rocker assembly, you can see there it's chipped off, and it actually, this black rocker fell off. And we wouldn't, I had to pull it all apart to get it out to repair it. Since this is chipped, these little tabs here bent and locked up and went under here. Locked inside there. I slotted in there and held the switch in. Because it's a piece of shit, it broke. All I would do is just switch it on and off all the time. That was enough to cause it to break. So I'm going to put a proper fucking fine one, an older style bedside lamp switch would be nice in there, but I might have one similar to that that's rated for the right voltage and everything. GXK003, 2 amp, 250 volts. Yeah, I've got some switches within that range, so I'll whack one in there and heat shrink it all up and it'll be good. It won't look very good, but it'll be better than that one. How they actually terminate this, they snap the bottom of the switch together. And that's the assembly of the switch hold together itself is what holds the wires in. So very nasty. Much better alternative. This is a 125 volts or half that current at 250 volts, 7.5 amp. Perfect. It is a Sing Fi Chinese switch. Sing Fi. It's a lot better than that one. And all I'm going to do is slightly drill the hole slightly bigger, and that'll fit in there. And it won't look so ugly either, so ideal. Ideal. Now, alright, let's repair this light. Viewers, after measuring the switch and this file for size, they both happen to be the exact same size using the vernier caliper here. I use that to sand it out of my not so cordless drill. And the edge left behind, the burr, I use this little old ball. So that got most of the burr off, and I finished off the rest of the hand file. Nice and flush now. I should have put masking tape around this to stop the paint from getting scratched, but a bit late now. It's pretty good, not cutting my finger on that. And that switch will fit in there nicely. All I gotta do now is just poke the wire saw and solder it in. Okay, viewers, it's all fixed. Now I really should have put masking tape around this, but it's too late now. It's all scratched up to bug me, but I've got some touch-up paint that looks pretty much identical to this. I'll just go over those scratches and make it look all nice. Out of sheer desperation, I've had no choice but to use 2 sticks worth of hot glue, aka hot snot. And that switch is pretty well rock solid in there. It kept moving and it was quite loose. I didn't like it, so I had to use a hot snot. Normally I wouldn't, but versus out of sheer desperation I use a hot snot, so it's actually worked quite well. The wiring's all well and truly insulated, it's not going to touch anything in there, so let's whack this thing back together. Looks a bit ugly, but at least it's more enjoyable now. Alright, will it work? That is a question. Yep. That's 100% better than what it was. Alright, now some touch-up paint and get rid of this ugly scratchy mess, and it'll look pretty good. Beautiful. Not too fussed about the slight imperfection, but it's durability we want here, and quality, and longevity. Much better. Alright viewers, unplug safety first. Okay viewers, there's a follow-up video here. Holt's Jiggly colour I used. It's quite, it looks a bit, I'll take the light off here. It looks pretty good, I'm happy with that. It looks better than the big gouging scratches it had. There you go, she's looking quite nice. Anyway, I can live with that. Thanks for watching.